Orival Filters, decades of successful worldwide installations. The Orival OR filter is an automatic self-cleaning line pressure powered water filter. Sizes range from 2 inches to 24 inches for flows up to 12,000 GPM, and multiple units can be mounted in parallel to handle unlimited flow rates. The inlet allows dirty water to enter the filter. The coarse screen is a pre-filtration stage where large impurities are retained. The fine screen removes smaller unwanted solids. The standard screen is constructed of rugged PVC with a fine weave wire mesh of stainless steel inside. An all stainless steel multi-layer sintered screen is also available. Orival also stocks all stainless steel filters. The outlet allows cleaned water to exit the filter. A hydraulic motor is located in the hydraulic motor chamber. The rinse valve serves as a discharge port for dirty water during the cleaning cycle. The dirt collector transports unwanted solids from the inner side of the fine screen to the hydraulic motor chamber. Unwanted solids are collected through nozzles on the dirt collector. Dirty water enters the OR filter through the inlet port. Large particles are filtered out by the coarse screen. In a second stage, small particles are filtered out by the fine screen. Finally, clean water exits the filter through the outlet. Small particles accumulate on the inner surface of the fine screen. As particles accumulate, a pressure differential builds up across the screen. When the pressure differential reaches a preset value, the rinse valve is opened. Opening the rinse valve creates a pronounced drop of pressure in the hydraulic motor chamber. Water flows backward through the screen in a very small area at high velocity and into the nozzle openings, then through the dirt collector and into the hydraulic motor chamber. Finally, water containing debris collected from the interior of the fine screen is evacuated through the rinse valve. pressure relieved from the hydraulic piston causes linear movement of the dirt collector, while the water being ejected out of the hydraulic motor causes the dirt collector to rotate, assuring that the entire screen is cleaned during each rinse cycle. Every square inch of the fine screen is cleaned in 8 to 15 seconds, depending on filter model. As the particles are vacuumed off the fine screen, the differential pressure quickly decreases. When the entire screen is clean, the rinse valve closes, ending the cycle. Orival filters provide excellent cleaning performance without interrupting the filtering process. Orival OR filters are offered in 3 standard configurations. Inline I-Series model, commonly used in single-unit installations and vertical installations. Online P-Series model, commonly used in single and multiple unit installations and upside-down installations. Bypass B-Series model with built-in automatic bypass valve, commonly used in full flow applications where a constant flow of water is critical. The operation of the Orival ORG filter is similar to the OR filter. The ORG filter is specifically designed for water conservation using as little as 2 gallons per cleaning cycle. The water flow is similar to the OR filter, except the ORG is oriented in a vertical configuration. The ORG is available in sizes 1.5 to 10 inches with single filter flow rates up to 1,320 GPM. Manufacturing is conducted under strict industrial standards. Certified welders, mechanical and electrical engineers, and skilled tradesmen work together to fabricate and assemble filters of the highest quality. After parts are cut and formed to close tolerances, sophisticated robotic welders join the parts together. Joints must be watertight, structurally sound, and aesthetically pleasing. Thoroughly cleaned and shot-blasted filter parts are sprayed with an electrostatic powder coating of primer and a thick epoxy polyester top coat inside and out. Oven curing sets the coating to form a tough, durable protective finish. All finished products are pressure tested for quality assurance. Orival filters remove all types of organic and inorganic particles, ranging in size from 3,000 microns down to 5 microns with their high-quality stainless steel screens. From drinking water to steel descaling to ship ballast water, Orival has a filter for the job. Orival filters are used to clean the water in all types of cooling tower applications, including full flow using existing pump, side stream filtration of basin using a recirculating pump, side stream filtration using a booster pump, and side stream filtration using existing pump. In mining applications, Orival filters are used to process dirty water from the mining facility, including gold heap leach beds. After being filtered, clean water can be reused in the mining operation. In wastewater treatment, effluent from municipal and industrial treatment facilities is filtered for different reuse purposes, including irrigation. In continuous steel casting applications, Orival filters clean the water that goes to heat exchangers and protects cooling nozzles and other heat exchange surfaces in the caster. For hot and cold rolling applications, Orival filters protect spray nozzles for descaling and roll cooling, as well as keeping debris from accumulating in cooling towers. Orival filters are used in many applications in blast furnace installations to remove suspended solids from cooling water to protect nozzles and heat exchange surfaces. In food and beverage facilities, Orival filters are used in the heat exchanger circuit and condensing towers. Once dirty water has been filtered, it can be reused. Water used in membrane systems of all types is pre-treated using Orival filters. Dirty water from bottle washing facilities is filtered by Orival filters before being reused. Orival filters can remove eggs, villagers, larvae, and adults of many invasive nuisance species, such as zebra and quagga mussels that plug valves, pipes, and other fluid components. Orival filters are used extensively in HVAC systems to protect heat exchangers, chiller condensers, and cooling tower basins from organic and inorganic debris that causes loss of efficiency, plugging, and growth of Legionella pneumophila. Ballast water must be treated when loaded, offloaded from the ballast tanks of ships. Orival filters can provide the first step in ballast water treatment by removing all organisms greater than 50 microns to meet IMO standards. Orival filters remove organic and inorganic suspended solids from water used for cooling, condensing, processing, wet scrubbing, and coke removal. Dirty water from the cooling tower is filtered and reused in heat exchangers, sprays, and pumps. Wastewater from pulp and paper industry is filtered and reused with the help of Orival filters. In sugar mills and refineries, Orival filters are used to remove debris from wash water, raw process water, cooling water, and shower water, and to remove crystals and carbon particles from raw, thin, and thick juices. Filtered water can be reused in heat exchangers and evaporation stages. OR filters can be used to filter the raw water supply for fish hatcheries and growers to keep out unwanted species and prevent cross-speciation. In power generation facilities, Orival filters remove debris from makeup water, bearing lubrication water, pump seal water, and general cooling water. Many industries and processes involve water passing through nozzles of various sizes. Orival filters are used to prevent plugged nozzles from organic or inorganic suspended solids. Orival filters, followed by fine cartridge filters or UF membranes, protect RO membranes for desalination. Orival will use any ferrous or non-ferrous metallic materials of construction specified by the system designer. In glass processing facilities, Orival filters make recycling cooling water possible for temperature control, high temperature instrumentation, and vacuum pump cooling. Orival filters are built rugged for long life, even in the most demanding heavy industry applications such as automotive leak testing. Manifolds, flange-to-flange systems, and skids are just some of the techniques used by Orival to meet customer needs and simplify installation. Multiple parallel filters can be mounted on Orival fabricated manifolds to provide complete systems for increased capacity, performance, and process flexibility. Flange-to-flange systems can be built by Orival to fit the customer's existing piping system for quick and easy installation. Orival skid systems include the necessary filters, pump, motor, controls, valves, and connections, all mounted on a skid frame to set in place and begin filtering immediately. Orival's other capabilities include high-pressure filtration systems, high-temperature filtration systems, exotic materials of construction to meet the requirements of any application, Hastelloy, titanium, etc., protective coatings and color of the customer's choice, wide selection of screen elements, weave, wire, wedge, wire or perforated material, filtration degrees from 5 to 10,000 microns, special coating and certifications, various connections, flanged, threaded, Victaulic or others, unlimited number of filters in parallel, self-cleaning suction strainers for pump intakes from 4 inches to 16 inches, manual filters from 1 inch to 8 inches, rugged coarse filters from 4 inches to 16 inches, centrifugal separators, granular media filters. Orival's broad product line, flexible manufacturing, fast customer service, and competitive pricing results in a myriad of satisfied repeat customers.